Hi, I'm a designer with over 7 years of experience. Today, there are countless ways to create a resume, hiring a professional, using Canva, or countless online builders. But in this video, I'll explain why the best way to land a job at a top-tier company is to create an ATS-friendly resume yourself using Google Docs. Let's break down which method actually works and which one might cost you the offer. Let's be honest, we all love beautiful templates, but job hunting today is, first and foremost, a battle against algorithms. Most candidates go for the visually appealing options, design tools like Canva, Photoshop. They look great, but the text often gets exported as an image that robots simply can't see. Online resume builders. People search for free ATS resumes and get dozens of sites. These are fine for creative roles where a human looks at it immediately. But if your goal is a large corporation with automated filters, their ATS templates often fail. They add extra dividers and complex layouts that confuse the system. The top ATS mistakes. So what turns your file into digital trash? Photos, icons, tables, and charts. The number one mistake, 2 columns. The robot reads strictly from left to right. It merges text from both columns into a garbled mess. You could be a genius, but to the system, you're just a parsing error. Now, let's move from theory to practice. I'll show you an example using a free builder I just found on the first page of Google. We're going to analyze the templates they offer, and I'll explain exactly why you should avoid them. Let's head over to the ATS category. Take a look at the first resume on the right. Right away, we see a photo. This is one of the cardinal rules: never use a photo. ATS systems simply don't recognize them. Next, we see multiple colors. While this isn't the most critical error, it's still not ideal for standard ATS compliance. Now let's look at the middle option. I'll zoom in. See this icon here? Then some text, followed by a long row of dots. To an ATS, this looks like unreadable chaos. First, it hits an icon it can't see, and then it gets stuck on a bunch of random characters between pieces of text. This is a total deal breaker. What's next? This version likely uses a 2-column table. That's another no-go. There are also these gray background shapes. I don't even want to imagine how they coded those in, but it's a nightmare for parsing. Let's scroll down. This resume is an immediate no, because as you can see, it's split into 2 columns. Sure, it looks decent, maybe even stylish. No, for an ATS, this layout is completely unreadable. If you don't need to pass through automated filters, then sure, go ahead and buy it. No, for our purposes, it's useless. The same goes for the skills section. The system cannot recognize status bars or scales. Across the board, it's the same mistakes: 2 columns, icons, unnecessary colors, and photos. I've checked dozens of these sites, and the situation is always the same. For our needs, these builders just don't cut it, so I strongly recommend you steer clear of them. You might ask, so what should I do instead? The answer is simple: do it yourself in Google Docs. It will only take you 10 to 15 minutes. I have a detailed video on my channel about building an ATS resume from scratch, and I'll leave a link to it in the corner. In that video, I break down every single field and technical requirement step by step. To wrap things up, remember, the goal of your resume isn't to impress a recruiter with your design skills. It's to make sure the robot actually lets you get to that recruiter in the first place. Don't waste your resources on tools that aren't built for your goals. To make things even easier for you, I've prepared a gift. You'll find my verified free ATS template via the link in the description. And if you're looking for a premium solution that combines flawless style with 100% technical compliance, check out my Etsy shop, be.design. I'll leave all the links, including my LinkedIn, if you have any questions, right below this video. I wish you the best of luck in your dream job hunt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next one.